We would now like to request Mr. Vijay Murmuria, past President, ANMI, to present a memento to Dr. Mayaram. We would now like to request alternate President ANMI, Dr. Prasad Rao, to give a vote of thanks.
Friends, on behalf of ASF members, ANMI and all present here, I wish to convey our sincere thanks to Dr. Arvind Mayaram, Secretary Government of India, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance, for making it convenient to be with us today by coming all the way from Delhi despite his hectic official schedule and addressing us today. I think last night he has reached Mumbai at 3 a.m. and today by 9 a.m. 8:45 a.m. itself he is in the convention. Sir, we are thankful to you. Sir, we have taken note of the aspects that have been mentioned by you in our address, which will go a long way, which will form milestones for ASF members' further activities. See, the strength and potential of the Indian economy is huge, and our fellow members of the Asian countries will take a long way. On this occasion, ANMI wishes to express its deep appreciation to Government of India and the various ministries which extended us all support towards organizing of this meet. ANMI as an institution representing market intermediaries organization will always endeavor to function as an effective interface between the intermediaries and the regulators. ANMI would also look forward to continued support and guidance from the government and the regulators. Thank you.
For the opening remarks, we would now like to invite Mr. Vijay Singhania, the convener of the ASF.
Good morning, friends. The inauguration session is over, and I am glad to inform you that our chief guest has agreed to stay for some time for the first SRO session. So we will not have the tea coffee break. Actually, we will have straight away. We will have the session on the SRO. Briefly, I'll tell you what we are going to have today in this open seminar. We will have first session is on the SRO. In all developing worlds, there is a concept of SRO, and it reduces the workload of the regulator so that they can concentrate on the policy matters. So on this particular topic, we have the experience. We can have the experience of the JSDA and the COFIA, who are the prominent SROs in the Asia-Pacific region. Thereafter, we will have the second topic, which is on the restoring faith of investors. We find that post-subprime fall, the capital market is not giving the desired return to the investors compared to other investment instruments like commodities. We shall deliberate the ways to outcome the same, and we have the senior dignitaries in that panel. Now, the third topic is the cross-border listing, trade and investment. We find today that the entire world has become an integrated market. The indices futures of other countries are listed on our bourses. Our Nifty is listed abroad on the Singapore. And see, so much so, we also observe that the open interest of the Nifty in Singapore is higher than the open interest of Nifty in our market. So by that, actually, we will deliberate how can the investors be benefited by that globalization of the securities market.